putting together a World War II Highland uniform. We'd love to get some advice on that. And we have Will asking, I would like to hear Mac talk about his World War I kit and where he suggests getting the right repros for a walking out World War I uniform.
For those that don't know, Mac does reenacting. You do, what do you do for reenacting? Kilt-related stuff.
Kilt-related, just World War I.
World War I?
Yep.
Which regiment do you
We do the 42nd Royal Highland of Canada. So Canada Day was,
Cheers to Canadian land.
Yeah, we're day 2 of the Psalm right now.
There you go.
So that didn't go over so well the first day. But
so what advice would you have for the young lad?
So it's like anything. Depending on how much you want to spend is really... There's different levels. I would say your entry level stuff would be like From What Price Glory, Soldier of Fortune, which is over in the UK. All their stuff is going to be made somewhere in the Middle East area. Their specs have gotten better as far as their cuts and the material that they're using. But the guy to go to is Dickie Knight on Khaki on Campaign. The last I knew, he had a 6 to 8 month turnaround on uniforms, so everyone's going to him a lot.
Yeah.
So, but again, he's a UK dealer, so you got to deal with getting stuff over. But as far as in the US side, Carter Jasper, they're mainly a Civil War vendor, but there's a gentleman there that runs that. His name is Joe Blunt. He has been making uniforms for a little while now, and they've been really well made. For equipment, for all your gear, no one is better than Lawrence Ordnance, but they're in Australia, so you're going to be spending a little bit more on shipping.
Yeah,
coming from Australia, and not Austria, Australia. Make sure we get that right.
We had a big kilt band order go to Australia once that was supposed to go to Austria. So.
Yes. So kangaroos, not mountains.
Indeed.
Boots. William Lennon Boot Company in the UK is the best boots out there. Their B5s are amazing. I want a pair one day. I don't have a pair.
So I'm taking it that they're a bit pricey.
They're not too bad. I think $285 was the last.
That's pricey for me.
Yeah, for something that you're gonna wear and get beat up and not mess around, mess up pretty much. But yeah, but they are made. Specs are spot on. They got original shoes. They based everything off of. And then there's also this little guy in Boyertown, Pennsylvania. Huh. We might know him.
Indeed.
That is on Facebook under Blighty Corner. That does make some stuff. So
I've heard horrible things about his customer service, though.
I know
he's a complete jerk. No, Mac actually has his own reproduction stuff. He makes some military reproduction things. What's the spell it? Blighty Corner.
Blighty Corner, like blighty as a wound. It's a BLIGHTY Corner. And I'm on the Facebooks. And of course, if you're looking for a kilt, we know a place that does that.
I've heard of one. It's somewhere around here somewhere.
But the other options for that is eBay, an ex-military from the 50s, and they're
hit or miss. Yeah.
So that's kind of a quick rundown, but it's a matter of how much you want to spend. You can spend a lot, you spend a little.
Yep.
It just depends on what the unit that you're trying to join, what their requirements are, and I would check with them first.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you like what you saw in the video, please remember to subscribe to our channel. And if you need anything Highland wear related, check out our website, usakilts.com.